Hello, it's Michael, and once again, welcome to another episode of the Gears Tech Zone. Today, what we're going to do is we're going to follow up on the previous little video that we shot on how to remove a front wheel with a through axle. We're now going to do a rear wheel with a through axle. Relatively straightforward exercise, but we do get a lot of customers saying, yeah, but how do I deal with that cassette, the chain, the derailleur? A lot of stuff going on back there. So I'm going to assure you, it's a relatively straightforward exercise if you just kind of follow a couple little rules of thumb. First, most important thing is what we always like to do is drop that rear derailleur into its smallest cog. What that allows us to do is it gives us a target when we're putting that rear wheel back in. Once we set that, I'm using my trusty little 6mm Allen key. I'm going to back off that through axle. In this case, we're going to bring it all the way out. It's going to then just move the rear derailleur out of the way. Allows us to drop that wheel out and off the chain. At this point, we can give that cassette a clean. It certainly looks like this one needs it by the state of my hands here. And we're pretty much good to go on putting this back in. Back in, just going to kind of reverse what we did when we were taking it out. As we mentioned earlier, once we know that the rear derailleur is in the smallest cog situation, we're going to just find that and target those cogs, bring this up. Now at this point, you are looking at both getting it into the axles as well as the rear calipers. So yeah, you're kind of juggling a few things at once. Don't be shy, can't really hurt it. Pop that rear through axle back in, make sure we have everything lined up nicely, and then we're going to dial that back in, like so. As per the front, this is an 11 Newton-meter torque setting on that. We want to make sure it's good and solid. Don't want that thing coming off or moving. And there you go, we are good to go. Everything is in, and you're ready to ride. Once again, easy peasy.